Hi everybody, it's Sanna here today. I have some fun news to share with you today. It's time for my third Stammplorations Sanna Lippert Designs stencil release, and I'm going to show you, this is a smaller release than the last one. I've got 5 stencils coming out and I really hope you like them. I'm kind of excited about them myself, so without any further ado, let's take a look at the new stencils. So here we go. I've placed the white paper on the table so you can better see the patterns. Okay, so the first one is called Tapestry, and this is basically the pattern. Let's put it on the other way around so you can see the whole stencil, and the size of this stencil is, let's see, in inches, so you can get an idea what we are talking about. Is okay, so it's 4.5-ish inches to almost 7 inches, and in centimeters it's 11.7 times 17.4 approximately. And that's the first one. It's called Tapestry. Reminds me of the 70s, you know, 70s, late 70s wall decor somehow. So that's that. That's basically a really simple pattern, but you can use it in very different ways. So that's why I wanted to do something like this for this release. And the next one is Onion in Rose. That's what it's called. And basically you can see the onion pattern going on there. And yeah, that was something that I felt like creating. It's a fun circular pattern, but also can remind you of onions or something else. And it's the same size like the other one. Then there's one called Peacock Feathers, and this is what the pattern looks like. I really like this one, so I can't wait to try all these new stencils and play with them a little, but on this video I'm just shortly showing you what I've been up to. And the next one is called Art Flowers. So it's basically really abstract flower patterns going around on the stencil. And the fifth one is called Retro Hearts, and that's something I haven't seen done, I don't know. And I wanted to do some heart-shaped patterns, because you need them all the time, and this is a little bit different because it's not obviously a heart at first sight, and you can tilt it and then you have a totally different pattern. So that's it. So it's Retro Hearts, Art Flowers, Peacock Feathers, Onion in Rose, and Tapestry. So that's my 5 new stencils. I really hope you like them. I'm really excited about these 5, and I can't wait for a little bit playtime with them. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Bye!